In today's video, I'm going to answer a very common question. How much is the X.com, or Twitter, blue tick? If you've been seeing the blue checkmark on profiles and wondering what it actually costs, this video will break it down in a simple and clear way. We'll cover what the blue tick means, which subscription you need, and the pricing in India so you know exactly what to expect before signing up. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's get into it. First, it's important to know that on X, the blue tick is no longer something you just apply for like in the old days. Today, the blue check mark is tied to a paid subscription. That means if you want the blue tick on your account, you need to subscribe to X Premium, or, in some cases, Premium Plus. Now, let's talk about the cost. In India, the pricing starts at $4.52 per month. That is the starting monthly price you'll need to pay if you want access to the blue tick through the premium subscription. Depending on your plan and any changes X makes over time, the price may vary, but that starting point gives you a good idea of the cost. Once you subscribe, the blue tick can appear on your profile after your account meets the eligibility and verification requirements set by X. It's also worth noting that the subscription is not just about the badge. X Premium can include additional features, depending on the plan you choose, such as posting benefits, editing options, or other premium tools. So if you're paying for the blue tick, you're also getting extra platform features along with it. If you're checking the price because you want to upgrade your own account, the easiest way is to open the X app or visit X.com, go to the premium section, and review the available plans in your region. That way, you can see the exact local pricing before you subscribe. And just to be clear, always double-check the latest pricing inside the app because subscription costs can change by country, platform, or updates from X, so the short answer is this. The X Blue Tick comes with an X Premium or Premium Plus subscription, and in India, it starts at $4.52 per month. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more quick answers and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.